Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Marvel blind bags. First, let's gather our essential supplies. You will need small Marvel-themed items like mini figures, stickers, or printed character cutouts. Also, grab some small paper bags, construction paper for decorations, glue, and scissors. Don't forget colorful markers to personalize your bags. Having a good variety of small surprises makes the unboxing experience even more exciting for everyone. Now, let's prepare the exciting contents for your blind bags. For each bag, choose 1 to 3 small Marvel-themed surprises. To add an element of thrill, consider making about 1/4 of your bags contain a special, rare item. This could be a unique sticker or a slightly larger figure. Wrap each individual item in a small piece of tissue paper or a tiny paper square. This extra step enhances the mystery and fun of opening the bag. Next, it's time to make your blind bags look authentic and appealing. Take your construction paper and design a custom Marvel logo or a silhouette of a favorite character. You can print these or draw them freehand. Carefully cut out your designs and glue one onto the front of each small paper bag. Then, using bold and colorful markers, clearly write Marvel blind bag on the front. This instantly tells everyone what exciting surprises await inside. Finally, let's put everything together and seal your amazing blind bags. Carefully place all the individually wrapped Marvel surprises into each of your beautifully decorated paper bags. Once the contents are inside, fold the top edge of the bag down by approximately 1 inch. Apply a strong adhesive or glue along this folded flap to securely seal the bag. For a finishing touch, you might add a small, decorative sticker over the sealed flap, making your blind bags truly complete.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.